Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you the merge node. Now, the merge node is a very simple node, but it's very powerful, just like all the rest. So let's begin. So first, we go to our humble code node. Actually, before that, let's see how we get it. Just go to the plus, write merge, and there you have. You get this, ignore it for a bit, and let's take a step back. Again, go back to our code nodes. I made this simple script. If we execute it, it gives us these items, with an ID field, a name field, and an email. All right. Same with the second one. If we execute it, ID, role, and salary. So let's go to our merge node and we have a couple of options. First is the mode. By default, it's the append mode. What the append mode does, let me show you guys. If we execute this flow, as you can see, this gives 3, this gives 3, and with the merge node and append mode, it just gives them all together. So we get 6 items. That's the append mode, that's the default. It's very simple. Let's go on. So one thing about it is the number of inputs. We put 2, but we can put 3, 4, all the way to 10. So you can have 10 code nodes input into one merge node. All right. So the next mode is more interesting, the combined mode. So in the combined mode, we have a couple of options. First, what do we combine it by? Next is the combined mode. In the combined mode, we have a couple of options. So the first option is combine by. What are we going to combine by? This is the rule. So we battery options, matching fields, we combine matching fields, we combine by position or all possible combinations. We'll go through all of them. Next, we have fields to match, have different names. We can turn this on or off. Let's keep it off for now. Which field are we going to match by? The output type, whether we keep the matches, keep non-matches, keep everything, enrich input 1, enrich input 2. So we keep it by default. And the output data type is it from both merge, input 1, input 2, we keep it both merge. Alright, so we're going to combine by ID. We put ID here. Keep note that what we have is we have Alice, ID 1, and we got the role engineer, which is ID 1, 2. We got Bob, ID 2, and the engineer again by ID 2. The only difference is Charlie, he is ID 3, and manager is ID 4. So if we execute this, we only get Alice and Bob. As you can see, it combine both inputs based on the field that we put it. So if we go by position, for example, it will combine all of the matching position. So let's go again. So we get Alice, Bob's, and Charlie. Why do we get Charlie? Because he's the third position and the manager is the third position. We don't care about the number of ID. So that was the combine. Of course, you got the SQL query. You can write an SQL query to direct it how to combine. And finally, we can choose the branch we want to combine. We don't need this. We don't usually use this, but you might use it. So that was the merge node. As you can see, it's very simple, but very powerful. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you next time. Goodbye.